Hi everyone and welcome back to a new tutorial. Today we're learning how to make C letter. So we're starting with a magic loop using a cotton yarn and 3mm crochet hook. I'll chain 16. One single crochet in the second chain from the hook, one single crochet in every chain till the end of the row. Next row I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in every stitch, and 2 single crochet in the last stitch. I'm gonna repeat this row 2 more times. Next I'm gonna chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. I'm gonna turn now and chain 1, 1 single crochet across, 2 single crochet in the last stitch. The next row, chain 1, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Now from the next row, for 8 rows total, I'm gonna chain 1, 1 single crochet in every stitch for a total of 8 rows. So once row 8 completed, what I'm gonna do next is chain 1 and 2 single crochet together. We're gonna do the first decrease. So so insert your hook in the first stitch, pull through, insert your hook in the second stitch, pull through, and pull through all 3 stitches, and you will continue single crochet in the next stitches. You will turn, chain 1, single crochet in every stitch, and the last 2 stitches you're gonna do 2 single crochet together again. The next row will be the same. Chain 1, 2 single crochet together and single crochet in every stitch. From that point, you will chain 10 chains. You will make 10 chains from the last point, and then you will single crochet in the second chain from the hook back to the first point, and single crochet in every stitch, and then in every chain, and then in every stitch. And in the last 2 stitches you're going to decrease again, so 2 single crochet together. And you're going to repeat for the next row. Chain 1, 2 single crochet together, single crochet in every stitch, and the 2 last stitches you decrease as well, 2 single crochet together, and the last row again will repeat the same. So 2 single crochet together in the first stitch and 2 single crochet together in the last stitch, and you fasten off. Now to shape the two ends of the C letter, you're gonna join your yarn in the last point and then chain one. You're gonna make 2 single crochet in the first stitch, so 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and 2 single crochet together in the last 2 stitches. So it's a decrease, so increase in the beginning and decrease at the end. Then for the next 2 rows you're gonna chain 1 and single crochet in every stitch, and that's it. You fasten off. You repeat the same on the other or the opposite side of the C letter. And that's the letter ready to be used. You can do whatever you wish with it, whether padded or leave it as it is. I hope you find the tutorial easy. Don't forget to check the written pattern as well. And until next time, take care. Bye bye.